Welcome to Ride Ohio, discovering new rides in Ohio.
All right.
All right.
It's pretty dirty.
Yeah. I think they're.
Oh, Frank Rogers outside.
Yeah. I think they're opening up that drilling site again.
Yeah.
They shut it down. I think they opened it back up. Or starting to. Did he see you?
I don't know. He had his butt facing the road. I was looking for my horn.
He was.
Yeah.
Why'd you move it?
Yeah, last time I tried to do my horn, I had the brakes on, the turn signals going.
I was gonna say, they don't move.
Just still trying to figure out where everything's at on this bike.
You gotta get out and ride a little bit more.
I do more this year than I did last year. Usually I don't get out because it's so hot. Still cold for me.
Well, like I said, a year ago, we went down to Marietta, got a fried bologna sandwich.
Yeah, and last year I think it was really warm.
Yeah, I think so too.
I know we had our leather coats on, but it was so warm.
There's a couple bikes there.
Huh?
Bike there.
No, I didn't see it.
Nobody golfing today.
Hi, golf cart.
Okay. Oh, okay, that's it. Number 7.
Went back there.
Oh,
together.
jeez.
They're down there by the pond, too. A bunch of them.
I wonder if the old gang's probably golfing every day.
Probably. The only thing, when you don't wear sunglasses with these helmets, and you clean my face mask, it's like a bird hitting the window. I want to itch my nose and forget it's there. And it looks so clear. When you look straight ahead, it doesn't look like there's anything there, but if you look down in the lower corners, you can see it. I have to remind myself not to poke my finger in there. I don't care how many times we go out. My stupid mind says I have an itchy mouth or itchy nose every time.
Yeah, but you're better off poking your finger than me. I lost, about $450 worth of sunglasses already because of these.
I don't wear sunglasses. They hurt my eyes. You put the sun shield down, it's so dark.
You alright?
Yeah, a bug hit my shield and I jerked like it was going to hit me in the eye or something.
You're getting better, but you still scared the shit out of me when you do that.
I'm sorry. It scares me, so how can you not do that?
great.
Oh, wow. I was singing on the sea.
You find your horn button?
What?
Can you find your horn button?
Oh, yeah. Now I know where it is. I thought you said, do you have a horn button?
Only you.
They're watching The Young and Restless. Oh, my God.
Linda was out and,
Yeah, with me.
yeah. Luigi.
Yeah. She always likes watching us ride, so. She's still, both of them are still amazed that I ride a motorcycle.
Anybody that knows you would be amazed, wouldn't they?
Yeah. Radio off because I don't get it real good down in these areas. I just shut it completely down so I can see my clock.
I thought maybe you lost the signal.
Well, when you get out in here in the stickers, it just doesn't play very well unless you have your phone hooked up to it. I like listening to it, but I don't like listening to it all the time. There's days I like to...
Just when I talk, huh?
When I ride. Yeah. I keep hearing this, like, whistle sound in my helmet.
I can hear it, too.
I don't know what that is.
You might have, one of those vents up on top, too, open.
Must be you. You slow down and stop.
I thought it was you. You slowed down and stopped here.
I don't hear it.
Me neither.
So, I still learn about this bike, you know?
Yeah.
So, I like riding, and I'm trying to shut my radio down and figure out that you have to hold the button and shut it completely down and it does a countdown.
Yeah.
So then, I was driving I must be a little bit faster than you was, and you started slowing down, and I was getting close to you, so I put my foot on the brake, and then if you don't take your hand off the throttle, it rolls back on you and slows you down when you have the brake on too. It doesn't let you have the brake and the throttle on at the same time.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Huh.
Must be a safety thing.
I know the anti-lock brakes. Nice.
Yeah. When I just realized that when I had my foot on the brake and my throttle open, it rolls back my hand and just slows me down.
It's a good thing.
Down here for a long time. It was not very long ago as a kid. The dog was short. I probably just was laughing now. That old man had a jumpsuit on. It was like a prison jumpsuit.
Okay. No.
What they doing down here?
Looks like working on a bridge. Well, hi.
I can't. My bike can go down the hill.
Oh.
Green light. Green light. Green. Oh. Red. Oh.
Dirt net.
Why would you take a pass on the road? Okay. Drive on. We're all taking breaks.
Right.
It's 1 o'clock. Why don't you ever get back to work?
Oh, there's a bike for you.
Oh, I told Matthew to get one of those. Those are really cool. Yeah, I think I know him. Matthew wants to get a bike, so when we go take Rocky home, we'll work.
You go with us.
Yeah. Like today.
Yeah.
I told him he can ride on the back one of us, but I don't have a backrest, and our seats aren't real comfortable back there.
You think you would?
He didn't act real soon.
No, I mean, get a bike and want to ride with us.
Oh, he wants to, he said. But he can only afford a certain price.
But he probably want to ride with his buddies.
Ride with his where?
Buddies.
No. walked those railroad tracks in art class.
You did.
Yep.
The other ones up there by the high school, we had to run around that circle for practice.
Yeah.
When I was a freshman, a lot of the seniors then walked the tracks at that all time. These ones here. Hope you enjoyed it. I did. Leave a comment, please. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Till next time, ride safe. Enjoy the ride.